Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of a lot of books on drawing cartoons, drawing the figure drawing, especially of a series called Figure It Out, and has figured out essential poses, figured out human proportions. I think you might want to check that out. So today I'm just going to show you a diagram of something that happens, a dynamic that happens when a character is standing. And most people think, well, standing pose, nothing's happening. It's not really interesting. That's not true. There's a lot of dynamics that happen when someone's standing. So let me start with a very simplified character. Just going to make a kind of circular head like this. And we'll get his height basically by using his height line and measure it. So that should be about right. Okay, so here's the neck. And as he starts to just settle into a stance, he's not going to be like, standing absolutely straight. So he's going to maybe, his shoulder is going to go flop on one side. This is going to be longer. Okay, so the shoulder flops like this. So what happens? Well, what happens is that when this goes down, the other hip compensates. Like this. Okay, so big deal, right? Well, hold on. That causes something else to happen. This leg now is pushed up, and to support his weight, it has to come down here. See? It's coming like this. Now this one no longer has to support anything, really, so this one can come out like this. And you've seen poses like this in people. So what happens is this goes in because it's crimped, pushes down, this goes in and out. You got a crimp right here. This side doesn't really look like that, does it? No, it doesn't. And that means also another thing. That means that this part here, which is higher, say let's give that a shoulder, the elbow comes about here. But this one, I'll erase this so we can see it, is lower. So the elbow is about here. It's not the same. It is not the same. See where the hands are? This one is here, and this one is here. This elbow's here, this elbow's here, this shoulder's here, this is here. And this is all because this character relaxed. Well, what character doesn't? You stand for more than 30 seconds, you do this. So it's good to know these dynamics of the figure. And here is the trapezius, which connects the shoulder to the neck muscle. It makes it look better. And also, when this is clothed, and also the knee too. Knee is down here because the hip is here. This hip is higher, this knee is higher. Lower, lower. When you see that in clothing, you don't even notice it. But you will, because that will be your construction. Well, I hope that was a helpful hint for you, and I give videos every week, upload them every week. I hope you'll subscribe and see me again next time. Bye-bye.